One of our most popular fixed blades is now a folder. The original Tex Creek has been in our lineup since about 2013. When we first released it, it was also one of the first models we ever made with our Black River wash. It's a classic hunting knife, great for campsite, great for hunting, really just kind of a great overall outdoors knife. It's been popular ever since we released it. We've got it in 2 different versions, in the original size, and we also have an XL version. The folding knife was kind of an obvious next step for this thing. The original Tex Creek was actually handmade entirely by Leo for hunting season. This is something that he used to do and still does to this day. He'll make a knife before hunting season that's more just for him. It's not necessarily meant to be a tops knife. It's just something he wants to do and take a knife out that's kind of unique every year for him. We teamed up with Fox Knives in Italy to make the folding version. The Tex Creek Mini is actually a slip joint folder. Obvious differences: this Tex Creek Mini, way smaller. I believe we're less than 6 inches overall length on this thing. Everything about it's different. Different handles, different blade steel. Made in Italy, not in the US. That's one of the other main differences there. Obviously meant to resemble and look a lot like the full-size Tex Creek, but we wanted to make it a small, pocket-sized fixed blade. The knives that we had in mind when we were saying, hey, let's make this thing a slip joint, were old timers. Similar to with the Ontario knives, everybody knows the Ontario XL Hunter. Everybody knows the old timer knives. Everybody knows these old school slip joint folders. My grandpa carried one, my dad carried one, I had one when I was a kid. They have a lot of nostalgia to them. They have a lot of that old school feel to them, but this one is definitely modern. It's got M390 as a blade steel. It's a little bit over 3/32 thick, so pretty thin on the blade. It's got olive drab green G10 handles, steel liners, just over 5 inches long. It's about 5 1/8 overall. The blade length is just shy of 2.5 inches, a little over 3 inches closed, so a really small package. If you throw this in your pocket as is, cool, it should be just fine. We also are including a leather slip with each of these. The leather slip is stitched all the way around. The opening is definitely wide enough for the knife to fit in there. So if you carry this in your pocket with your keys, phone, other knife, something else that's gonna bang up against it, that's what the leather slip is for. This thing's gonna get beat up. That's on purpose. Leather will age over time and it'll take on kind of its own life as it ages. So that's the cool thing about the leather slip here. It is full grain leather, so it will patina nicely over time and kind of wear in with the knife. This is a simple slip joint folder. It does not have a locking mechanism. In particular, this one is going to be a 2-hand open knife. That's on purpose. There are certain areas where 1-hand opening knives are illegal. So if you happen to live in one of those jurisdictions, rest assured this knife should be just fine. Old school slip joints are not meant to be fast. They're not meant to be self-defense tools. This is just a cutting tool that you're gonna have in your pocket everywhere you go. Like I say, it's got that old school feel. It's got that nostalgia. When I was a kid, I had one of these. My grandpa had one. My dad always carried one. Pretty much every guy older than me that I know had or has a slip joint in their collection somewhere. The modern version of these, I think it's a really cool touch for the Tex Creek. This will be great as an EDC knife. I see this being something that you'll use for packages. I see it being kind of like a show knife. This is the one that you take out when you want to impress people. Really just any kind of simple daily tasks, this knife's going to excel. M390 is a great steel, holds an edge really well. It's stainless, it's going to be pretty low maintenance, but as with any other folder, a little bit of oil around your pivot will go a long way. There's definitely no reason to ignore the maintenance on this thing, especially if it lives in your pocket where there's going to be a lot of lint and dust and other things in there. Obviously today's video is about the Tex Creek Mini Slipjoint folder. However, if you don't already have one of our other Tex Creek knives, I highly highly recommend them. The Tex Creek XL is an excellent camp knife, probably a little big for most hunters. You're looking at about a 6-inch blade. The Tex Creek XL is just an excellent knife. The regular Tex Creek and the Tex Creek 69 are awesome as well. These are basically 4.5-inch knives. Excellent around the campsite, great for hunting, great overall, just kind of everyday use. If you like a larger fixed blade for everyday carry, the Tex Creeks are actually really awesome for that. So don't sleep on the Tex Creeks. If you don't have one of these, you should definitely have one in your collection. One last note, it is a 2-hand opening, and at first these are very stiff. So keep that in mind when you buy these. It might take a little bit of working in for that to open. There's not much to grab onto. There wasn't really any room on the blade for a nail nick. You just gotta be able to pinch in between that kind of second finger groove to get it halfway, rest of the way open. But again, if you are looking for an old school slip joint, you know, that classic pocket knife with the leather slip that just lives there every single day, everywhere you go, this is the one for you. If you're looking for one of these, you can pick one up with one of our dealers, or you can go to topsknives.com, buy one there. Make sure that you like this video, leave us a comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications, make sure you get all this cool content coming your way. Thanks for being a Tops customer. We'll talk to you soon. One last thing, just real quick. YouTube has a new thing called hype. If you hype our videos, it helps them get shown to more and more people, helps us get our content out there, helps us continue making content for you as well. So if you enjoy this stuff, definitely help us hype it.